guys, and today I am going to be taking a walk. So let's get started. I'm running right next to a big lake. I gotta run all the way over here. Whew. Well, I'm gonna come over here, see what there is. Just gonna come over here, see what there is. Oh, I just gotta go pee pee real quick. Gotta go pee pee real quick. Wait, what's this? What's this big stick? What's this big stick? What's this big stick? Oh, anyways, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, where am I gonna go next? Where am I gonna go next? Okay, I'm just gonna run for a little bit. Just gonna run for a little bit. I'm gonna sniff these flowers. See what there is. My paws are kind of getting hot from this hot concrete. Oh, I know I gotta go pee pee or poop or I don't know. Oh wait, it went away. Never mind. Let's see. What do I have to do? Pee pee or poo poo? Or nothing? Let's see. Let's see. I actually don't know. Well, actually, I can't stand this sniffing. What is this smell? What is this? What is this smell? What in the world is this smell? What is this smell? Okay, I'm just gonna go now. Let's go. Come on, guys, follow me. Come on, guys. Let's go. I'm gonna go to this lake. You see that lake over there? That's where there's lots of fishies. That's lots of fishies. I'm just gonna walk on the sidewalk from now on. I'm kind of getting tired now and thirsty. But sadly, I didn't bring any water. I did not bring any water. Oh wait, I think there's places to go. Spot to pee. Psst. Oh yeah, so relaxing. OT, come on. Come on, let's go. I want to show you guys something else. See, you see those woods? There's a nature trail in there. I'm not gonna go in there, but I'll show you guys. I love going in that nature trail over there because it's just that orange cat. Okay, because there's an orange kiki over there, and I can't even stand that orange kiki. I have another kiki friend. His name is Meters, or I call him Meters, but his real name is Jinx. So, yeah. This place might be a good spot to pee in. Ah! What was the noise? I heard something ruffle in the bushes. I'm gonna go now. Whew! I'm just gonna keep on walking in the bushes. Oh! I got a shake. Now I'm gonna run. Whew, I'm so tired. I didn't know I was gonna be this tired. But I am. I am just tired. I just love hanging out in that little pond right there. I just like catching fish. Even though dogs don't really catch fish. But I just like playing in water sometimes. Actually, I kind of want to go over there, but I kind of don't. But because I gotta go home now. But maybe next time I could do a video with you guys of me going to the lake. So let's go. Look at these pretty flowers. I'm just gonna walk through them. I'm tired. I want some water. I'm gonna sniff these grasses. What's in there? I smell something. Oh, okay, go. Okay, guys, don't look. Don't look. Don't look. Don't look. Oof. Ow. Don't look. Don't look. Ah, why'd you look? I didn't want you to look. Okay, but anyways, guys, I'm gonna end it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like this video. Maybe comment down below if you or your dog likes taking walks. And maybe share this channel or video too. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Oh my gosh. I'm so thirsty. I'm so thirsty. I'm so thirsty. Well, anyway, guys. Anyway, guys. Bye-bye.